guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. If you have not made a splatter screen wreath, you need to make one. They're very simple to make, it doesn't take much time at all, and it looks like you spent a lot of time and money on it. And for this wreath, you're going to need one splatter screen from Dollar Tree, and you'll want to remove the knob. You're going to need 4 bundles of flowers. You're going to need 1 placemat. And in the description box below, I will add a materials list for you. You are going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow. And I did not use that Christmas ornament. It was just too big. You're going to need some pipe cleaners, some floral stem wire, your hot glue gun, glue sticks, your scissors, and wire cutters. And first thing, you'll want to add some pipe cleaners to the back of your sign and then just set it aside and let the hot glue dry. That way you can attach the sign to your splatter screen wreath. Okay, we removed the knob, and you could spray paint the splatter screen red if you wanted to, but you're just going to take your 20 gauge floral stem wire or whatever floral stem wire you like to use, and you're going to wire your placemat onto your splatter screen. And I just cut my floral stem wire into 3 pieces, and I just threaded it through the splatter screen, then made sure and went over part of the placemat, then threaded it through the splatter screen and went to the back and gave it a few twists. So you'll want to make sure and line it up first and then wire your placemat onto your splatter screen. And then fold your wires down. And I added 4 wires total. Okay, and now my sign has had enough time to the glue to dry, so I'm ready to add it to my wreath. And I am just going to take the pipe cleaners and carefully thread them through the splatter screen. Now, you do not want the fluffy pipe cleaners. You want like the Dollar Tree pipe cleaners or some Walmart pipe cleaners. So the fluffy ones are really hard to get to thread through, so just some inexpensive ones work best. So thread your pipe cleaners through and give it a few twists and fold down your pipe cleaners. And then I am adding 4 bundles of flowers to my wreath, and I am just fluffing the flowers. And you'll want to have a zip tie close by. And my flowers came from Dollar General. My placemat also came from Dollar General, and the sign did too. But I will write all this down in the description box below for you. So just zip tie your bundle of flowers together, and then you're ready to wire your bouquet onto your splatter screen. So just thread your wire through the splatter screen. I went just over the top of my zip tie and threaded the bouquet on. And I did add 2 wires so that my bouquet would not move. So these wreaths are very simple to make and inexpensive, and I've received a lot of positive comments. So thank you guys, all of you that write me and tell me that you've made them and everything. It really makes me so happy to hear that you're making my projects that I share here on YouTube, so thank you. And here I'm just making a bow, and this is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. So I'm going back and forth, trying to make the loops the same size on each side. So just keep it pinched tightly in your left hand and just make your loops the same size. And make sure you let out a tail before you start and when you finish. And I just usually cut mine at a slant. And then you'll want some floral stem wire close by to wrap around the center of your bow. If you have any questions about making a bow, I added a bow tutorial to my channel about 2 weeks ago, so if you haven't checked it out, check out that video. And I have a lot of requests for different wreaths, and I'm sorry guys, I'm not going to be able to get to everyone's request, but I appreciate y'all writing me. So here I'm just threading the wires through the splatter screen and attaching my bow right below my flowers. And then just go to the back and give it a few twists and cut off the extra wire and fold it down. Okay guys, and this is how it looks. So simple to make, and it looks like you spent a lot of time and money. And here I am threading a piece of floral stem wire through the top of my screen, and I am going to make a loop and give the wire a few twists, and that's how I usually hang mine on the door. So these are so quick to make. I can make one in about 5 minutes, but I've had a lot of practice. I've been making them since before Easter. So here it is guys, hanging on my door. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I was looking on some information that YouTube sends us, and it said 73% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe, guys. It would make me so happy. I'm at 23,000 subscribers, and that is wonderful, but I would love to have more. So thank you so much, those of you that comment and watch, and I really appreciate all of y'all. So please subscribe and like and share.